Welcome to Review Lab. The best Breville Tamper is probably one of the most essential tools for any home barista looking to elevate their espresso game, as it directly impacts the quality and consistency of your shot. A well-distributed and evenly tamped puck of coffee grounds is the foundation for a perfect extraction, ensuring that water flows through the grounds uniformly, unlocking the full flavor potential of your beans and leading to that rich, crema-topped espresso you crave. This seemingly simple accessory is where precision meets passion, and choosing the right one can make a significant difference in your daily coffee ritual. Number 5. MATOW 53mm Coffee Distributor and Tamper. Introducing the MATOW 53mm Coffee Distributor and Tamper, a versatile tool designed for your espresso needs. It's compatible with Breville 54mm portafilter baskets, making it a perfect fit for many popular machines. Achieve a consistently perfect shot every time. Leveling your coffee grounds before tamping ensures a uniform and even puck, leading to richer flavor and a better brew. This tool features an easy setup with adjustable height on both sides. Simply set it to your desired depth and lock it in place for a perfect tamp. It boasts a clever dual-head design, combining a coffee distributor and a palm tamper in a single, convenient tool. Both sides are ready for use. For the best results, ensure your portafilter is fully dosed. Groom the top of the grounds before leveling and tamping to achieve a tighter pack and unlock richer flavors. What we like. This tool offers both distribution and tamping in one convenient package. Its adjustable height ensures you can dial in the perfect depth for your puck. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one solution to improve your espresso consistency, this is a great choice. What people say. This tamper is very well made and feels substantial in the hand. The weight and balance of this tamper are excellent, making it easy to get a consistent tamp. The polished stainless steel base is perfectly flat and creates a beautiful, even puck. Number 4. MATOW 3-Bomber 54mm Calibrated Espresso Tamper. Achieve 30 pounds of consistent pressure every time with our innovative 3-spring design. You'll hear a satisfying click, ensuring you've reached the perfect tamp. No more guessing if you've applied enough pressure or when to stop. This tool provides clear sound feedback, taking the guesswork out of tamping. Enjoy a comfortable tamping experience with its ergonomic handle, crafted from elegant wood and metal. It feels as good as it looks. Designed with a 53.35mm base, it fits snugly into 54mm portafilter baskets. This ensures a cleaner tamp with less residual coffee grounds. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a seasoned barista, this is an excellent choice for premium quality. We are dedicated to enhancing your coffee experience. It's perfectly compatible with popular 54mm Breville machines like the Barista Express, Pro, Touch, Bambino Plus, Infuser, and DuoTemp Pro. What we like. Achieve perfect pressure every time with its unique sound feedback mechanism. The multiple springs ensure consistent 30 pounds pressure, eliminating guesswork. If you're a beginner barista or someone who struggles with consistent tamping pressure, this tamper provides clear guidance and confidence. What people say. It's sturdy, it has a consistent tamper, fits well in both my Gaggia Classic portafilter and my Kofi bottomless portafilter. The MATOW 3-Bomber 53mm Espresso Coffee Tamper is hands down one of the best tampers I've used. The quality is exceptional, it's made with durable materials, and you can really feel the solid craftsmanship in your hands. The 53mm size fits my portafilter perfectly, providing an even, consistent tamp every single time, which is key for a great shot of espresso. I love the ergonomic design, it's comfortable to hold and easy to control, allowing me to tamp with precision without straining my hand or wrist. The flat base ensures an even distribution of pressure, which has noticeably improved the quality of my espresso, from the evenness of the puck to the smoothness of the crema. It is delivered in a cardboard box with instructions, a certificate of conformity and an additional spring offering an adjustment to 15 pounds instead of 30 pounds. This tamper is compliant with the photos and specifications. The result obtained is really very good. The coffee is tamped cleanly but also vertically, thanks to the internal spring system, in an easily controllable and reproducible way. This is an undeniable advantage for a tamper. Number 3. 53.5mm 4-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 4-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit, designed to transform your coffee-making ritual. This all-in-one set ensures you have the essential tools for a perfect brew every time. Achieve consistent, balanced espresso with our calibrated, spring-loaded tamper. It delivers over 30 pounds of optimal pressure, ensuring a rich and flavorful shot with every use. Say goodbye to clumpy coffee grounds. Our 8-needle WDT tool effortlessly breaks up clumps, preventing channeling and optimizing your espresso's extraction for a smoother taste. Minimize mess and maximize flavor with the magnetic dosing funnel. It attaches securely, keeping your workspace clean and ensuring accurate dosing for a superior coffee experience. Whether you're a home barista or a professional, this kit is the perfect gift for any coffee lover. Enjoy barista-quality espresso wherever you go, from your kitchen to your office. Ideal for cafes, offices, or home use, this kit enhances your coffee-making experience in any environment. It's the perfect companion for anyone who appreciates a well-crafted espresso. What we like. This comprehensive kit elevates your entire espresso preparation process. It includes a calibrated tamper, a WDT tool for clump breaking, and a magnetic dosing funnel for mess-free filling. If you're looking to upgrade your home barista setup with essential tools for better extraction and cleaner workflow, this all-in-one solution is ideal. What people say. The tamper is solid and has a good weight to it, making it feel substantial in the hand. It fits perfectly in my Breville espresso machine's portafilter, creating a nice, even tamp every time. The polished stainless steel base is smooth and provides a consistent surface for tamping. Number 2. MATOW 3 Bomber 54mm Dual Spring Espresso Tamper T6000 OS. Introducing the MATOW 3 Bomber 54mm Espresso Tamper, designed for the modern barista. Achieve consistent, high-quality espresso with every shot. Its unique dual spring system offers adjustable tamping pressure, allowing you to fine-tune your extraction based on the coffee beans and your preferences. Experience automatic reset and horizontal leveling for perfectly even compaction. This reduces common tamping errors, ensuring a professional result every time. The 53.35mm ripple base maximizes coffee and water contact, unlocking richer flavors for your milk coffee and Americano. Crafted with an aluminum alloy handle and a food-grade stainless steel base, it's built for longevity and your health. Enjoy a premium feel and superior performance. Whether you're a home enthusiast or a professional, this tamper is an excellent choice for premium quality and a great user experience. We are committed to enhancing your coffee journey. What we like. Experience a more forgiving and consistent tamping with its self-leveling action and dual spring system. The ripple base is designed to enhance flavor extraction for richer shots. If you appreciate a tool that helps reduce channeling and offers a unique base for improved taste, this tamper is worth considering. What people say. The MATOW 3 Bomber 54mm Espresso Tamper is a thoughtfully designed and well-constructed tool that brings a new level of consistency and tactile satisfaction to the art of espresso making. At the heart of the MATOW 3 Bomber Tamper is its calibrated spring-loaded mechanism. This innovative design ensures a consistent tamping pressure, typically set at 30 pounds, which is widely considered the industry standard for optimal espresso extraction. The build quality of the MATOW 3 Bomber Tamper is robust, featuring a combination of a stainless steel base, an aluminum body, and an elegant walnut handle. This blend of materials not only gives it a premium feel but also ensures durability and a comfortable grip. Number 1. Teyearlife 54mm Adjustable Espresso Tamper. Achieve the perfect espresso shot every time with our premium adjustable tamper. Crafted from stainless steel and solid wood, it's designed for home baristas. Experience unparalleled comfort with its ergonomic wooden handle and metal ring. This design ensures a secure grip for effortless coffee compaction. Limit your tamp depth with its calibration feature. This ensures consistent pressure, leading to perfectly leveled and compressed coffee pucks. Unlike spring-loaded tampers, this adjustable compaction hammer is easier to operate and built for longevity. Enjoy a more reliable tamping experience. Specifically designed to fit 51mm portafilters, it's ideal for various Breville Sage models like the 810, 840, 870, 878, and 880. Elevate your home espresso game by complementing your setup with this essential tool. It pairs perfectly with our range of espresso accessories. What we like. This tamper offers a straightforward approach to consistent puck preparation with its adjustable depth feature. Unlike spring-loaded options, it provides a more direct feel and potentially longer lifespan. If you prefer a simpler, durable tool with a classic aesthetic and precise depth control, this tamper is a solid choice for home baristas. What people say. The handle is carved, polished wood and the tamper part is polished stainless steel. It matches my cups. It's excellent quality and can be displayed proudly with the rest of your espresso accoutrements. I love how this sits on top of the portafilter flat and you press down, assuring a nice flat press. The fancy wood knob unscrews if you want to clean the metal and not get the wood wet. It's spring-loaded and by holding the bottom and twisting upper collar you can adjust the depth of how far it can press. It's really easy to get a clean flat tamp with this, and you just keep pressing until you feel a wall of resistance telling you the grounds are packed pretty tight. This tamper adjustable depth is spring-loaded and made with a strong metal material, capping the top part beautifully with a walnut finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.